short. All right. I got lotion on. Okay. You know, I've already made all the mistakes a man can make trying to find the love of my life, man. It's been more than 1 million fantasies since a real woman last kissed me, and this heart is still mending. And what I need is someone who speaks tenderly, moves gingerly, renders me tempting with whispers. Someone with whom I become lost in the acoustics of her smile as I listen to the music of her voice and have no choice but to simply give in. I surrender. Because all those mistakes were simply making room for you. If only you knew how long I prayed for the telepathy of your fingers as I sit, silent in your scent, spent, relentlessly inventing new ways to unload little boy baggage so that I might play hopscotch in your twilight and taste the chills circling your nipple. And I wish I could describe how much I need you, and every night I get down on my knees and beg God to send me someone just like you. Because all I want to be is that Neo soldier giving in to the warrior within. Because I can't do this shit without you, girl. God damn it, where are you? And now that I'm willing to sacrifice the fruit of my soul to be the apple of your eye, I stand here faced with a decision to either run or fight for that revolution behind your eyes. And I want you to see me as so much more than just a big dick with good credit. I'm gonna drill out that I kiss you sunrise, love you sunset till your silhouette gets wet just to spite the angels. And girl, you better believe there ain't no fibers in heaven, but I'd rather be your fiber right now would be my honor. Tell me, how could you drones become one when our sun runs from the dawn? And how in the hell can the Africa inside me survive without you? Don't you know that I'd sing for you, give up my grin for you, in the rhythm of the sun I've been into you, just to taste the hot, sweet chocolate of your sticky satisfaction. I'm ready. Ready to be me for you so that we can be two brand new. I'm ready for you to move me, soothe me, and if I poop, excuse me. Now, I know that may sound silly, but I'm being completely realistic because I've already wasted enough time molding me to the mandingo I was born to be. You see, I'm ready to be your own personal psycho-gynecologist, a paravaginal orthodontist, a certified clit technician. Because this strong here is on a mission to flip your position to be your girl for which they knew voodoo so they can swap places with you and oh, the possibilities now. I ain't gonna lie. I may not be the king of your dreams, but I am the prince of potential, and I'm ready to walk the dog inside me and bring his ass back. I'm ready to be more than I was before because you deserve that. I'm ready to go where no man's ever going, your soul, and I'm ready to be the last man you ever have to hold. I'm ready for love. I'm ready for life. I'm ready to make you my wife. God damn it, I'm ready, and I'm waiting. Look, my name is Michael. I love football, watch a Lifetime, and Jesus. My favorite color is blue, and just like you, I'm looking for love too. And it'd be so nice to shine inside again. But I can't do that without you. I'm ready, y'all. I'm ready. Thank you.